All right, guys, I think I've got it together as best I can, so you know what? It's time to try to get her in. Who knows? I don't. And I'm by myself. So, we'll see. It may take me a while, but let's just fast forward through this and do a little gig and something like that and look like we're crazy. All right, here we go. Let me pick you up and show you what I'm doing. Here. All right. I don't have a whole lot of clearance right here. So I gotta kind of come up and around and over and through. Kind of like a bunny rabbit. So, and then I can rock it back and keep coming up. So, here we go. I'm tired. Hey, go. It's been beat down today. You know what's great though? My hands are dirty. I'm enjoying this. Well, part of it I did not enjoy. Breaking loose that bolt on that holds the harmonic balancer on. Yeah, I know. Put in the crankshaft sensor. No, I didn't enjoy that at all. That sucks. But I haven't done this since 1991. I haven't pulled an engine since then, and then there was 3 other guys with me. This has been great. I'll tell you what, if you have the chance, just go out, get you an old beater, start working on it. Trevara says, wrench every day, get dirty, be a man, or a woman, because there's some great ones out there. Y'all have a good one, and I'll catch you next time when we start buttoning up the engine and we get ready to maybe even start it. I'll tell you what though, if you like this, look around somewhere. There's going to be a subscribe button. And you want to watch some of the rest of them? Check out that too. There'll be something there. Go tell your friends, tell your family. Tell a zombie if you see one. I'll catch you next time. Night.